Alright, hey guys, welcome in today. I got a really cool video that I'm excited for. It is on Jack Skellington, one of my favorite characters of all time, from Nightmare Before Christmas. So let's try to get into this right away. As I do my Jack Skellington, I start out with a giant circle for kind of his head, and then I'll kind of add his little bow tie. So doesn't have to be a perfect circle, but a pretty good size. I'd probably say about the size of your fist. Let's go with that size. I'll start off really lightly, just so I can make it a little bit darker as we add some more details. So that is my circle shape for his head. I will do kind of a little oval this way and a little oval this way, right in the middle of that part of it first. So it kind of curves up and then out. This one goes similar but opposite. So this one goes up and then out that way. It gives them a little bit of an angle for like that angry face. Kind of like a really skinny S up there. And then the bottom part is a curved line that goes down and a curved line that goes down over here. Okay, he's got nice big eyes on there filling up the space. And then almost the same as that edge on each side. And this one will go from the bottom up to the top. And I look at almost mad or kind of grouchy in there. And then his mouth is gonna go from one side all the way over to there. And then he has all those kind of stitches. All right, so it looks pretty good for his face. Let's go work on his neck. He has a really skinny neck, so you can make a really skinny neck. His whole body is really skinny. But we're doing the upper part of his face. And I gotta stop right now because I gotta show you one of my favorite little toys that I'm kind of getting inspiration from. Whoa. Cool, my son loves this thing. We got it, I think last year or something. We've got little Jack Skellington and it's got his button. He looks pretty cool. So it looks kind of similar to there. I think I made him a little bit more angry. This one he looks a little bit more curious, but I kind of like the angry version of him. Okay, back to drawing. So that's what we're gonna try to do next. Straight line in the middle here. So the straight line here, and then it goes up to one side, up to another, and then down. You can kind of curve that. And then he's got his little two eyes on there also. So kind of a curved line, and then another curved line, and another curve. Bring that a little closer so you can see. Cool, I like that. You can connect your neck, if you want, onto there. And then this part kind of goes out to the side. So I'm gonna go kind of like a zigzag line out to that side, and then out to that side. About almost the same size head, or it could go a little bit longer. On mine, it's a little bit longer, but almost the same size. And then some zigzag, so we're gonna go kind of out and then back, down and back, down and back. One more, and that one will kind of connect on there. This one will kind of stretch out and then back, out and then back, out and then back over here. So there we got his little bow tie on there. I'm just gonna kind of finish it off with almost like the top of his suit. I'm just gonna go a straight line down there and a straight line down there. And there we have our Jack Skellington. I'm gonna outline that in Sharpie, see how that looks. All right, so just like that, it's done. Of course, I forgot to hit my button up here to play on the time lapse. So now you see it, it is on there. I'm gonna color in his eyes on there and then parts of his shirt with the black Sharpie, and then I'm gonna do the background really cool. So let's go through that real fast. Guys, so there it is. I thought it turned out really cool with the kind of cloudy background. Hopefully you picked up some of the little tips and tricks that I did along the way to fill up the whole page, and hopefully you guys enjoyed that. So thank you guys for viewing. As always, I am Mr. Shooty. This is Jack Skellington, and this is Mr. Shooty's art channel, and we will talk to you guys later.